This is a static website. The static website how to writing for SEO on page for particular pages. So any promotion on page, this will be syntax, title, description, meta keywords and the author name. So in a pool where you can promote first of all, the promote areas. So any area we can promote. First of all, open this one. The option call is cPanel. Any kind of change your content will be static website more focused by the two options. One is called home page, second will be contact us. One is called home page, second will be contact us. Just go for login, click for sign in. Suppose I can increase my areas. I can increase my areas. So first of all, see here, I'm selecting for contact page. I'm starting for new area for Erragada area. So just I'm showing for in this option call is I display only for two location, Kondapura and Tangban. So wait for second here. I'm updating for another two locations. So I'm adding for total 4 areas, Kondapur, Tangban and Madhapura and Erragada branch. So once coming to your page, if writing for any SEO title and description, you're writing along with your places. See this one, I'm writing for here. First of all, you can check for your title. Title will be contact us, season swimming pool for Kondapur, Madhapur and Tangban. You can mention for your option call is Regatta. So it will take time for the add your number. This is your title. In your description, you can writing for total information. So writing for nearby location. What is the nearby location for Regatta? We can writing for Nagar, Musapet, Moti Nagar, Sanagar, Amirpet. So I'm adding for any areas. So first I explain before and after what are the changes we have. Title, contact us. We only be adding for 3 branches. Which one? Kondapur, Madhapura and Tangban. Only for Kondapur, Madhapura and Tangban. So this one. Description. Contact sales and encourage contact in pool, Kondapur and I am writing for these all areas. I am not mentioned for the other areas. So now after update this, look, this came for other areas. So when it target by any areas on a particular page, any static will be using for two scenario. One is called home page, second will be contact us. Home page, character will be increase. Any title accept only for 60 character, up to you can exceed by 65 characters. Description we can using for 300 character, it will display by only for based on option 160 to 300 characters. So any one writing for your home page, the title will be exceed, description will exceed. We can use option call is contact us page for static website. That will using option call is cPanel writing for title, description and keyword. Any area we can target. Keyword is common. Then change your locations. That is called writing for this option. Copy. You can check your Word document in Word. So more clarity purpose, you can check the total information on your document. What was the writing on your proper title and description and keyword. See this one. Description, keyword, and the last one is your title one. Title open here. It will be closing. Any option will be required for the close option. Where is the close option? Same admin. Click for save changes. But in the update of SEO, meta keyword not considered by Google, only considered by the title and description. So based on your title and description, the keyword promoted by your particular areas. So any keyword you can promote on your static website, add your SEO title description based on home page and contact us page. That will be increase. You can use option call is services. You can use option call is services. So clear. Any static website, if you use writing for SEO title and description, first priority is the home page. Next priority is the contact us page. Once your keyword will be reach your characters, third priority will be services. The common facilities 3D view, gallery, and a profile. Writing for each page, writing for what? Title, description, and keywords. Any title, description, keyword after updating, just click for profile. A simple click option call is Control U. Click for Control U. See this option call is profile. Season, swimming pool, Mala brand, Hyderabad. Is it clear? This is called writing for every option. Suppose you are changing one more. I'm adding for one more place. I'm adding for one more place. Select your proper page. The page name is called profile.html. Edit. Careful to watch. Previous title. Season swimming pool in Madhapur, Hyderabad. I'm writing for Kondapur. Title using for pipe symbol. How many years? Madhapur, Kondapur, Hyderabad, and Musapet. Previous how many have the profile? Only for two. Madhapur, Kondapur, Hyderabad, and Musapet. Next, coming to services. You can check each and every pages. So which area can providing all services? Control U. You can providing services for here, writing for title. Summer classes for Madhapur, Kondapur, and Hyderabad. Simple. Select option call is service.html. Click for edit. So which page you can change your title? Select your page. Click for edit. Change your title and description. So here I'm adding for page. Same me for summer classes for Madhapur, Kondapur, and Hyderabad. After refresh, Madhapur, Kondapur, Hyderabad, Sadnagar, and Amirpet. What are the common areas? I'm selecting for common areas. So here I'm selecting for Hyderabad. Save changes. Now click for refresh. Then you can add it for common areas. Waiting for area. I'm writing some areas. When you're writing in title, what are the keyword you're using? Don't use same as it is in your description. Keyword will be matching. Common keyword is matching. Location does not matching for title and description. Both are not same. Both are not same. Any using on the title and description, using location or title. Don't use the location same as it is in description. Change the location. Add more location by the compare with your title and description. Keyword is compared by title and description, both are same, but location will be changed by title and description. When you promote any keywords, is dependent with two areas. One is called title, second will be description. So here I'm writing. Click for the clear. What are the keywords target? The target will be keyword. Title description is mandatory. But location will be when writing title, description, don't use in same locations. Why? Writing for title and description both are same. So when highlighting on your location, automatically taking for using description. You can see here a simple example I'll show you. If open for incognito window, I'm searching for swimming pool in Gachibowli. Okay. Coming to your title, I'll show you. What's the matching here? Swimming pool Gachibowli, Hyderabad. Title matching for Gachibowli. Any Gachibowli writing for in description part? You can writing for your description part. Now, see this one. My title will be temperature control indoor swimming. Where is the matching for your Gachibowli? In description. So clear? If you're writing any promotion of on page, what are the place you mention? You mention by title, don't mention by description. Some people mention by two places. That is the waste of your characters. The waste of your characters. Add more places, another places. Once any place add by your title, don't use it for description. This logic nobody can know on the people promoting for static website. They're writing for title and description. It's a waste. Automatically keyword is important. The keyword target placed by based on description, based on the title. See this. I'm writing for description. Automatically my website will be top one. Any title will be Gachibowli is there. I'm not using any Gachibowli. The location I'm using for where? On by description part. Is it clear? So keyword is common. The place we'll be using will be title and description. We can use in different places. So that is called we can promote more places using SEO on page. This logic, so many people are confused still in the market for writing SEO title and description for static website. Please note down the notice. So what are the writing for SEO title and description keyword? Always it will be using for header format. Header open and close. This will be open and the showing for this will be close. In between the header part, you can writing for SEO title and description keyword. Any optimization SEO on page, we can using for title description keyword and write only for header format. If not using a header, if using for footer, it not appear. When writing for SEO title description keyword, using only for header one. So after writing this one, the common point is called remaining code. There's a common point. For people can understand this option will be for all purpose. Copy. Every page is a common. This is called searching and understanding and follow your page purpose. Click for save. So main important is the first three option. Which one? Writing a title, description, keyword, and author name. Once you can write your this option, you can update by your website homepage option. One is called keyword matching for your title and description. Location does not matching for title and description. Once you add your one location, repeating title, don't using on your description part. This is a very important for writing SEO title and description for static website. This rule will be followed for any location adding on your static or dynamic. Same policy will be rule that will be using for your more promote by the one keyword multiple areas. This is writing for SEO title and description for HTML website using cPanel access.